at 130 type grinding machine is a grinding equipment for processing into slurry. This machine is widely used in processing equipment for making jam, dipping sauce and liquid food. The whole machine is made of stainless steel, and the water cooling device is optimized to ensure a low temperature rise for long-term grinding. The grinding head adopts stainless steel raw steel processing technology, which can be processed into fine 50-100 mesh materials. The machine has good sealing, stable performance and high production efficiency. It is suitable for the crushing and grinding process of food processing and pharmaceutical processing.